Dr. Jaffe, what is nature's pharmacy?
Well, nature's pharmacy is a phrase that describes much of what we recommend. It's about what you eat and drink, think and do. It's about thriving in the 21st century when your body is likely under assault in many ways with toxic matter, anti-nutrients that consume the essential nutrients. So nature's pharmacy gives you the opportunity to thrive rather than just survive. And over the many years that we have been refining nature's pharmacy, we have come up with 12 principles, which I would urge you to link or take a look at online. They're a quick and easy read. They can save your life. They can add years to life and life to years by reducing the amount of toxic matter you get exposed to and increasing the amount of good essential nutrients that you get exposed to. One of the important messages of nature's pharmacy is that good crowds out bad. Take a look at both parts of our 12 principles of nature's pharmacy and join me in enjoying and thriving, laughing and loving today, because I'm proactive about prevention and I treat my body as a temple into which I put the best quality of fuel I can. I stay hydrated. I stretch as well as move. I am mindful. And I practice renewing my body. That's all and only the beginning of, so come join us in nature's pharmacy. And I want you to feel as well and function as youthfully as I do. Thank you.